You know those days when your stomach just feels off? Maybe you ate a little too fast, or maybe your gut just isn't happy with you. I've been there. That's why I'm obsessed with this minty cucumber smoothie. It's my secret weapon for a quick digestion boost and a refreshing pick-me-up. Here's how I make it. Grab a cucumber, a handful of fresh mint leaves, half a green apple for a touch of sweetness, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a small chunk of ginger. Toss it all into your blender with a cup of cold water, or coconut water if you want to get fancy. Blend until smooth, pour it into your favorite glass, and just look at that vibrant green. Now, why does this smoothie work wonders? Cucumbers are loaded with water and fiber, so they help flush out your system and keep things moving. Mint? It's famous for calming the stomach and soothing indigestion. Ginger adds a zing and is a natural anti-inflammatory, while lemon juice wakes up your digestive enzymes. And that green apple? It gives just enough natural sweetness without spiking your blood sugar. Whenever I sip this, I feel lighter, like my gut is giving me a high five. Plus, it's super hydrating and keeps my skin glowing. So next time your stomach needs some TLC, give this smoothie a whirl. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.